Today, we're meal prepping Asian pork rice bowls. This pork is packed in flavor and the marinade is simple yet delicious. For $5, this meal prep is a great choice. So, let's get cooking. Thinly slice 5 pork chops into thin strips. In a blender or food processor, add 2 tablespoons of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. Then add 1 cup of soy sauce and blend for about 30 seconds. Pour this onto the pork. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix. And add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix as well. Be sure to let this marinate for at least 1 hour. For our veggies, we'll slice 2 carrots and chop half a head of cabbage. On a wok set to high heat, add some neutral oil, then our pork. Toss until cooked. Set aside, and cook our veggies. We also made 4 cups of brown rice. See link below for how to make 3-minute rice in the Instapot. Each meal will get some rice, veggies, and pork. The baking soda really helps keep the pork nice and bouncy with the marinade. And boom, we have a fantastically easy but delicious Asian pork rice bowl. This is definitely a soy sauce based recipe, but the ginger adds a very nice flavor. This recipe can meal prep 6 meals. This makes for great lunches or dinners, and just a good example of simple marinades making delicious meals. This can also be done with chicken. Here are today's ingredients. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.